Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to turn off email notifications for accepted friend requests on Facebook. If you're tired of receiving emails every time someone accepts your friend request, this guide is for you. Let's dive right in and simplify your Facebook experience. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Once you're logged in, look for the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. This is your menu button, and tapping it will open up a list of options. Scroll down through this list until you see Settings and Privacy. Tap on this to proceed. Next, select Settings from the menu that appears. This will take you to a more detailed settings page where you can customize various aspects of your Facebook account. On this page, look for the Notifications section. Tap on it to view all your notification settings. Now, under the Notifications menu, find and tap on Friend Requests. This is where you can control how you receive notifications about friend requests. Here, you'll see options for how you want to be notified when someone accepts your friend request. Look for the toggle switch labeled Email. This is what you want to turn off if you don't want to receive email notifications every time someone accepts your friend request. To disable these email notifications, simply toggle off the email option. Once you've done this, you won't receive any more emails when someone accepts your friend request. However, you'll still see these notifications within the Facebook app itself, so you won't miss out on any updates. By following these simple steps, you can declutter your inbox and keep your Facebook notifications organized. Remember, you can always adjust these settings back if you change your mind later. This way, you have full control over how you receive notifications from Facebook. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in streamlining your Facebook experience. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.